Okay, hello everyone, Xtype man here. I'm going to be making a video, my first video on the channel that I've opened, just to help people out. Today I'm going to do a video on changing the windscreen washer jet pump as mine stopped working altogether. So first of all we jack up the vehicle, we take off the driver's side wheel, and then what we have to do is we have to remove the arch liner here. Now the bolts on this do rust, and I've just cut around it just to get it out of the way for now. So there's the pump. Now this is a new pump that I've already installed. What I will mention is once you've got all this out, you just give this filter here a good clean, and also while it's all out, just run some boiling water through it, just to get the extra sludge out as well. Just make sure you put a bucket underneath to catch all the water or all the windscreen washer fluid that you've got in it already. Now, even though I replaced this, it still wasn't working, so make sure you check the fuse in the fuse box, which is F9. So I checked all that and that was fine. The next thing to check is to make sure there's power to this plug. So you'll need a voltmeter. So let's do that now. I'll just turn the camera down. See in the voltmeter that there will be 12 volts near enough when I press the stalk. So there you go, that's confirmed 12 volts to the plug. So what we'll do is we'll plug this back in. Now even though I plugged this back in, it still wasn't working. The pump was making noise. The headlight washer jets were working, the windscreen ones weren't. Now what I found was, let's move up here, got this filter here which sits here. I've accidentally snapped this now, so it's no good. I'll have to order another one. I don't know if it was clogged or what, but this was the cause of it not working. So what I've done for the time being, I've just cut the end off this aerosol can top. I'm just going to plug it in here. So it does fit nicely, this, so just plug this in. There we go. What we'll do now is give it a test. Hopefully this will work. There you have it. Solved. So as I said, there was a couple of threads that I read about people changing this pump and still not getting any water to the windscreen, so it's worth checking this filter here, because more than likely that'll be blocking it. But anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I hope this helps someone out.